Nastawiam se za tebe, daj mi bilet jednu po soce, stao ti da se ne vidio. Kada kazam Dan Fernandez house. It's a really lovely vibe in here, and we have some people chilling, lovely people, doing all sorts of creative stuff. I'm gonna be here for a while, and then I'll go to my so-called country. I'm gonna be away on Sunday, my plan, but I will see you little bit before, you know. Bye, 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 bye. Bye.